is Rhye and welcome back to my channel. So for today's vlog, I'm going to make burnt Basque cheesecake. This unique looking cheesecake has become very popular recently. The cheesecake is creamy and light with caramelized surface. It is also much easier to make than the traditional cheesecake and hard to mess up. It's a crustless cheesecake that's starting to become trendy. The cheesecake is baked at high temperature in order to get the beautiful burnt exterior and super creamy interior. So let's begin. First, in a mixing bowl, add your softened cream cheese. Make sure your cream cheese is room temperature. Add your sugar and cream it together. Mix well. By the way, all my ingredients are in my description box. Just check it out. Once it's creamed together, add your eggs. You may use your hand mixer or wire whisk in creaming the mixture. You may now add your heavy whipping cream. Mixed well. Once all the ingredients are well incorporated, add your all-purpose flour and mix well. Press the parchment paper or baking paper into the bottom and up of the sides. They should stick up about 2 inches above the edge of the pan. Once done, you may now pour the mixture in the pan. I'm using 6 inches pan for this recipe. Don't forget to preheat your oven to 240 degrees Celsius. Bake it for 60 to 65 minutes or until the top is completely burnt and it has a slight jiggly to it. I think our cheesecake is ready. Let it cool to room temperature for about an hour, then remove from the pan and slice. You can also leave it in the pan and place it in the fridge for a couple of hours to completely set. That's my personal preference. Enjoy! You may top it with fruits, chocolate, whipping cream, or caramel, or whatever you're feeling. This cheesecake is a blank slate that can be enjoyed alone or with a little something extra. I top my cheesecake with strawberries. So my cheesecake is ready to serve. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and please don't forget to ring the bell button to notify you on my next video. Until next time, bye-bye!